I turned off one of the air conditioning fans, so you may be able to hear it a little bit better. I've also increased the frequency. I go up by 50 hertz each time just to make it easier. So now it's at 450 hertz. Let me just move up. All I'm doing is making the amplitude a little bit louder. Now it's buzzing again. We don't need it that loud. So, well, we're right there, actually. So let me go down. Did you hear it? Okay, let's go back up again. It's around. Louder. $17.9. $17.8. 18. So 18, 17.9, 17.8. Again, you can see there's a little fuzziness. That's why we take like 3 values, going down, going up, and so we can get a better average of it. So let us go again to the bottom of the tube. And you should be able to see it. The rest of this should be in here. So let's go move the water level down. It takes a ways for it to get down. It goes faster if I put it down, a little further down. Okay, it's coming down now. Now listen carefully. Oh, it was right there, right? So let me just go down a little bit to 57. Now let's come back again. $55.8. Now remember, we're looking at the bottom meniscus because there's a little bit of parallax error. So concentrate on the bottom, the line that you see in the bottom. Okay, let's do a couple more. 56. 55.8. Just one more. Let me try and get it. It's kind of hard to tell. It's 56.0. Okay. Now let's move up the frequency to 500 and repeat. So you can hear me moving up the frequency. Now it's 500 hertz. Just to make sure you know. 500. And it's a little bit higher. A little higher each time. So now I'm probably going to have to move it up to get the first resonance. Let me see. There we go. So let's go a little slower. $16? I mean, they look like they're coming out to be even numbers. I would say 16. Let me try it again, because yeah, 16.2 maybe that time. A little past 16. 16.2. I would say 16, 16, and 16.2. So let's go down and look at the bottom one. Again, we have to take 5 of these all together. So let's see, how many have we taken? I think actually it's probably going to be this one here. We've already taken, this is the 4th one. So we're going to do one more frequency. And then we're going to try to put something other than air inside the tube. Okay, so let's again listen to it. Oh crap. The lawnmower, of course, is now going off. I just heard it though, so. $50.5? 50 point, like, I don't know, 50.2. And so let's go one down a little slower here. 55, 50.2, and yeah, 50.2. So one more frequency. We're going to do 550 hertz. Again, you can hear it move up a little bit slightly in frequency. And we're going to repeat our measurements. So you can see that the wavelength definitely looks like it's decreasing. So we got to go up at the top now. I got to make it move up. Oh, there it is. So let's go down a little slow here. $14.5. Is that what you guys saw? $14.4 maybe that time. Up too fast. $14.4. So you can see how close it is to the top. Now look at the bottom. It's probably going to be right within here. For our last measurement, or the last resonance position. Yep, there it is, right there. All right, so let's go a little slower. We go up, 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 up until a little slower though. $45.6. 45.5. I think it's around 45.6. So there's our second position of resonance. Again, that's for 550. So that's our 5 frequencies. You should get very similar speeds of sound for each of them. Just remember, the difference between the 2 resonances is half the wavelength. You have to multiply that by 2 to get the wavelength, and simply multiply that by the frequency to get the speed of sound. Average your speed of sounds and compare that with your theoretical value.